This is the 2 gig panel. It's a touchscreen. Has Z-Wave incorporated right in it. It's a panel. AC adapter. Of course, the manual comes with it. And a simple program sheet. Not so simple. Okay, this is the panel. Here's the power supply. There's a positive and negative labeled. You have to make sure that it's positive and negative on the wire and positive and negative in here, or you could blow the unit. So take your time. You take the screw out of the top. And this pops right out. It's labeled port 1 positive, port 2 negative. So you just loosen this up. This is the battery. This is going to end up just connecting right in here. Okay. And here's your wire. Just snip it. Like so, spin it a couple times. A little more than that. You don't want to go too much more than that because they don't want them to touch when you connect it. There we go, that's perfect. And you cut off this little fiber. There you go. So as we said, the first one's positive. Slide it right in there. Next one's negative. Take your time. Always connect it to the board first and then this second. And the reason is so that if somebody doesn't go around or you plug that in and you short the board out that way. If it's in here, there's no shorting out. Before you put it back on, obviously pass it through. You can see the hole for the screw. The screw, you'll know which one goes where. Okay. Same thing at this end. Get rid of this extra stuff right here. Should have a pair of scissors, but this one you're going to do a little bit more. Okay, because you have to go around on a loop. So you can do about that much, maybe even a little more. You spin it. And then I usually use a screwdriver and go to the right, and I'll explain why when you do these little loops. That you go that way, not the other way. Because when you tighten the screw, don't try to fit it behind there. You save yourself a lot of aggravation and take the screw out. Trying to slide it behind it fringes the wire and then you got to redo everything. Okay. So then I just take the screw, put it in there like this, put it down. And again, the reason we're going to the right is when we tighten it, that it doesn't back anything out. Bring it right up against it. That's good. Should have a magnetized screwdriver, it would make it easier. This one's Come on. Voila. And then you just plug it in. It'll take about 35-40 seconds. For it to come on. But you'll hear a beep. I see the blue light just came on.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.